Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kushwaha from Mumbai. Today we shall discuss about interior angles of polygons. It is the continuation of angles. This is part 2. So these are the polygons. Any closed figure with more than 3 sides, 3 or more than 3 sides. Triangle, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral also different types. I am not teaching the properties of quadrilateral or polygons. Here we can just make out how many triangles a quadrilateral form 2. Pentagon we can make 3 angles. Hexagon we can make 4 angles. Octagon we can make 6 angles. So what we observe everywhere, we are getting n minus 2 triangles. N minus 2 triangles. And we know the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So here you are making 3 180, so 180 into 3. So the sum comes 540. So same way we can get here. So there are 3 triangles. So there are 3 triangles, triangle 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Here also we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangle. So 6 into 180, the sum comes 1080. So we derived a formula, sum of the angles or interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180. Why 180? Because one triangle makes 180 degree. N is number of sides. It's not like this umbrella, you can connect the vertices this way also. So pentagon makes 3, hexagon 6, hexagon makes 4 triangles. Here you get 3 triangles and here you get 6 triangles. So always n minus 2 triangles, and the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. Let us do the sums. Work out the missing interior angle. So let missing interior angle is x. Here n is 5. So when n is 5, just apply the formula n minus 2 into 180. So n minus 2 into 180. So 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 into 180. So the sum comes 180 into 3. So 540. You add all angles and equate to 540. We get x 110. Now let us go for second question. Your second question says 4 angles of a pentagon are 125 each. So either you write 4 times 125, 125 plus 125 plus 125 and then x, the fifth one. Or the nice way is 4 into 125, because 4 angles are 125 plus x is 540. The sum we already know. So we have just put 540 and then x is 540 minus 500. So answer is 40 degree. Let us move for third one. 2 angles are 120 each. So either you write 120, 112, 112 plus 112 and 2 are 90. So 90 plus 90 and find the fifth one. You can do this way also. Or the short way is twice 112 and twice 90 plus x is 540. Just calculate, simplify it. You will get the answer 136. Now let us move to fourth question. Work out x similar to previous question. Just add all and equate to 540. You can write the reason, since the sum of the angles of a pentagon is 540. So equate, add them all. So it makes 5x and 25 you shift this side. So 5x is 515 and we get answer 103. Then they say what is the largest angle? Largest angle is this one. So largest angle is x plus 25. X is 103 plus 25 gives you 128. Let us go to fifth question now. So the angles of a pentagon are given there. They have not given the figure, but it is the similar question. Add all the angles and equate to 540 and write the reason. Since the sum of the angles of a pentagon is 540, or you can apply that n minus 2 into 180 formula and show that it is 540. Then add all, so here we got 5y all together, and 10, 20, 30, 40, when we add we get 100. So I shifted 100 this side, so 5y is 540, y is 540 upon 5, so I got 88 degree. The value of y is 88 degree. And then they are asking here also, largest angle is y plus 40 is the largest angle, which comes 128, y plus 88 plus 40, so 128. Let us move for further. Hexagon has 6 sides, so draw hexagon. So I have drawn any rough diagram. You can also make a diagram, and then we can take any hexagon and then joining the vertices. So I have joined the vertices this way. You can join the vertices in other way also. You can join these two and these two, and then you can make the triangle here. If you count, you will get 4 only, because you cannot cut. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 triangles, but what do they ask? They want to know, by joining the vertices, the hexagon, split the hexagon into triangles. So we got 4 triangles. Now show that the sum of interior angle is 720. So we have just added them, 180, 180, 180 and 180. We got 720. But we have just used the formula n minus 2 into 180. So here sum of the interior angle is 720. C part. Show that the sum of the interior angle is 720. Here we are having this. So n minus 2. Here I don't need this. So I can delete it. I need only n minus 2 into 180. If you are finding each, then you have to use this. So sum of interior angle is n minus 2 into 180. Here D part they are asking how big is each angle. So each angle is sum of the interior angle upon number of sides for any regular polygon. So 720 upon 6, your answer comes 720. Let us move for 7th question. Missing angles. These are really easy one. So which is missing angle? This is missing angle. You can assume it x. Add them all, x plus 136, 125, 108, 110, 132 and equal to 720. Because the sum of angles of a hexagon is 720, or you can just find n minus 2 into 180 formula, or you can write it 4 into 180. So you got 720. So x plus, when we add all this, we get 611, and answer comes x is equal to 109. When we go for this part, here they have given 90 degree. This sign indicates 90 degree. Okay, so don't get confused. This sign, anywhere this sign indicates 90 degree. So you add all, x is coming twice, find the value of x. So x plus x, 150, 90, 150, 130. When we add all these values, I get 520. So I subtracted 520 to x is 200. So x comes 100 degree. When I go for next, work out the sum of interior angles. Every time they are using the same formula, n minus 2 into 180 formula. Here n is 8 and here n is 10. So 8 minus 2 into 180 gives you 1080, and 10 minus 2 into 180 gives you 1440, 1450 degree. Now complete the table. We have done it. Triangle makes 180, quadrilateral makes 360. You can read the table of 180 into 1, into 2, into 3, into 4, here into 6, and here into 8. So you can easily get these angles. Derive the formula. So we have already derived the formula n minus 2 into 180, because it makes n minus 2 number of triangles. Now nonagon is a polygon with n 9, and they are asking you show that the formula is correct. So we have found the value 1260. There are 7 triangles formed inside nonagon. Now when we go for next question, 7 of the interior angle. We have done like 4 interior angle of pentagon. Here it is here octagon. So they are talking for octagon. Find out the 8th angle. So here n is 8. So what we have done, 7 times 140 plus x is 1080. Okay, or you can apply the formula first. 8 minus 2 into 180 gives you 1080 and equate to this. So I get my answer. 7 into 140 gives me 980. So x comes 100. X means here 8th angle. So you can write 8th angle. Don't write x, 8th angle. So 8th angle is 100 degree. Here each interior angle, so I told you sum of angles upon number of sides, so it comes 135. When I go for next, this is regular decagon. Decagon means number of sides are 10. We have done it before also. So sum of the interior angle will be 1440, 8 into 180, and they are asking how big is each interior angle. So each interior angle is sum of angles upon number of angles, sum of angles, interior angles. So it was easy topic. We will do next topic in next video. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share